Oats we all know are very healthy because it is a good source of dietary fiber and helps in reducing weight. So let's prepare one such simple and healthy weight loss recipe using oats. Hello friends, I welcome you all in my kitchen at Healthy Kadai. Today we'll be making oats pancakes. These are simple yet very tasty. So let's quickly see how to make it. We need 1 cup of oats, half a cup of semolina or suji, half a cup of curd. In the vegetables, we'll be using chopped cabbage, chopped beans, chopped carrots, chopped capsicum, fresh coriander, salt and red chili powder. Firstly, we'll transfer oats in a mixer grinder jar, and we need to coarsely grind these oats because we need to prepare oats flour. Here is my oats flour ready. Let's start to prepare our batter. For this, we'll take our oats flour, add semolina or suji, add curd. Curd will make our pancakes soft and it will also give a nice flavor. Mix it well. We'll use water to prepare the right consistency for our pancakes. Batter for pancakes is ready. You can see this should be the consistency of the batter. This batter should be just like you make the batter for dosa. So it should not be very flowy, very runny. We will allow our batter to rest for at least 15 to 20 minutes. It's been 20 minutes. Now we will add all the vegetables in our oats batter. So here goes our cabbage. I have simply chopped the vegetables in a chopper. Carrots, beans, fresh coriander, little more. We'll mix everything well. You can add any other vegetable of your choice like spinach, yellow bell peppers, mushrooms. We will add little water to it because the batter has become little thick after adding vegetables. After we'll add salt and red chili powder. Our batter is ready. Let's start to prepare the pancakes. We will heat a tawa, or you can even use a non-stick pan. Add few drops of oil. I've used mustard oil. Then we'll pour a ladder full of pancake batter. With the back side of the ladder, you can spread the batter gently. I'm preparing those mini pancakes. You can even make big pancakes as well. And simultaneously, we'll pour batter for the second pancake. In a similar fashion, we'll spread it gently. After a few minutes, you will see that the pancake will start to cook. Ensure that the flame is on the medium side. Then we'll add few more drops of oil. You will notice that oats pancakes does not require too much oil for cooking. You need very little oil to prepare these pancakes. I am adding oil just for greasing. Otherwise, you do not need to add it. And here goes my third pancake. So we'll cook all these pancakes on medium to high flame. We'll flip it over once the pancakes cooks from both the sides. And our pancakes are ready. Isn't it simple to prepare these pancakes? Likewise, I prepared all my healthy oats pancakes. You can serve these just like that with coconut chutney, green chutney, or even tomato ketchup. You can even roll these pancakes in this manner just to make it more comfortable for kids to eat it. In this way, you can even pack these pancakes for your kids' lunchbox. So they can simply grab one roll of oats pancakes and it's a filling and a healthy breakfast for them. Not only for kids, this is a very healthy and a filling breakfast recipe for adults. Even if you are on a weight loss diet, then you can consume oats in this manner. These are tasty and simple to cook. Do try out this recipe and tell us how does it turn out for you. If you want to see more such healthy breakfast recipes, then you can check out the link given in the description box below. Until our next video, happy cooking and stay healthy.